Square Enix United Front Games Sleeping Dogs Definitive Edition synchronisiert. Ja, bitte, bitte, neues Let's Play heute, ne? Sleeping Dogs, weil ich ja nie aufhöre. Passen Sie die Helligkeit ein, bis Sie das Hologramm noch sehen. Perfekt. Machen wir ein bisschen leiser, alles auf 5 runter. Damit man meine Stimme hören tut. Besser. Kantonesisch. Speicherdaten werden überprüft. Ich habe keine Speicherdaten, weil ich das zum first time ever play, you know. Hauptgeschichte, Albtraum in North Point, ja der Schlange, da haben wir ja viel zu tun. Ein neues Spiel starten. Halten Sie A, um zu sprinten. Das japanische GTA startet right here, right now, at Seafood Disturbing. Seafood Distribution. Square Enix und United Front Games präsentieren. Sleeping Dogs.
攞錢？
搞錯佢帶住咁大把刀嘅？
明白。
情報話目標喺南邊過緊嚟啊！
清楚。OK，各單位準備，同我睇實佢。
你捉個 Wei Shen 先好啊！
He's only.
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。喂，有冇貨？
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，情報有變，
咩啊？
有個碼頭警衛，佢由後面上緊嚟啊！
揾人截住佢啦！
冇可能，我哋呢度太遠啦，路。
細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
睇下點？
What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚個啊你？
停手，咪喐！
Come, my friend. Just
Are you crazy? No, don't.
maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
Ach du Scheiße, was ist denn jetzt los? Das gibt's ja gar nicht. Bitte,
好傷我
bitte.
啊！
Ach du Scheiße. Das ist ja
Don't do it!
Menschenfleisch.
Let's go! Let's go!
Nazi-Folgen. Folgen wir mal den Nazi.
You see anyone? I think they're after
Hey, Nazi. Nazi-Folgen. Ja, hoppe weiter. Wenn das spitze Auge fällt, dann macht er reich. Immer weiter. Son of a bitch.
work something out, right? 唔使諗啊，入到監倉裏面慢慢反省啦。 家唔係事必要你講，除非你自己想講。但係你所講嘅嘢可能會用紙同筆記低，即係成為呈堂證供，你明白
？Loading Screen mal sagen. Willioni. Edison Shen.
It's Jackie from Old Prosperity, man.
Oh shit.
Tom Wilkinson.
It is you. I can't fucking believe it. What are you doing here? When did you get
Emma
back?
Stone.
Wait. Man, you look like shit.
Hey, fuck you. 15 years to do that. We're not kids anymore.
Whatever, man. Ask anyone. Jackie
Lucy
Ma
Liu.
still looks good.
Jackie Ma is still the same old, but good to see you.
What the fuck? They finally deport your ass from the United States?
It's mutual. Time I came home anyway.
Yeah, lock up.
Lindsay
Sweet
Price.
home. So what they get you
Everything
on?
got a price.
Well, don't let them pin any extra shit on you.
King
Fuckers will
Han,
try,
Kelly
let me
Hu.
tell you. Once they hear you're from Old Prosperity, happens all the time.
Hey, so you still in touch with any of the guys from there?
A few, you know. People kind of go their separate ways, but you
Siama.
remember Winston?
Byron Mann.
He's moved all the way up to Redpole in the Sun On Ye. I've got a couple of things going with him right now, matter of fact.
Huh. Red Pole and the Sun on Ye. Shit, Dog Eyes always said he'd be running that neighborhood.
Oh, Dog Eyes is a Redpole too. It's still a total poke guy. He was the one who got Winston in. They were pretty tight back then, but
Stefan.
now... Hey, wasn't Dog Eyes hanging with your sister?
Yeah, it was a long time ago.
Hey, remember when we were kids and you stabbed Dog Eyes with a pen? You totally saved my ass that day. Oh man, I gotta tell Winston that story. He'll fucking love it. Man, Wei fucking Shen in the flesh. I can't believe it.
Jackie Ma.
Looks like I'm out of here.
Hey, Jackie. So look, if you and Winston ever need help with any of that shit you got going on with him...
Of course, man. Look me up when you get out. It'll just be like old times.
It seems that the evidence against you has failed to appear. How do you explain that? You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen. That is exactly what we want people to think. I trust that my men weren't too rough on you, officer.
You might ask them the same question, sir. Those guys are out of shape. It paid off, though. I made contact with Jackie Ma. I'm in.
Good work. Use him to get close to Winston Chu. Do whatever it takes. Raymond here will be your handler. You'll report everything through him.
Our intel suggests that Winston is looking for muscle. You need to find a way to make him trust you.
I've done this before.
Not in Hong Kong. American gangs, even Asian ones, don't compare to the triads here. The Sun On Ye is the most powerful gang...
Look, Raymond. Your name's Raymond, right?
Yes.
I grew up with these guys. I know who they are, what they are. All the intel reports in the world won't give you that.
We want the Red Poles, the lieutenants like Winston, all of them. And most of all, the Dragonhead.
Candidly, Wei, previous attempts to get close to him haven't panned out. We don't have much to go on. That's why you're here. I'm hoping that you can bring something more to our investigation.
I understand, sir. Look, the sooner I'm on the street, the sooner I can start.
Raymond will be in touch. Oh, and Wei, good luck out there.
Good luck. Because you'll need it. Nee, ich brauch kein Glück, because I'm the skiller.
Respectfully, sir, are you sure about him? He'll be under extreme stress maybe for a very long time. Now, I'm not sure he has the discipline to hold up. According to the file, he has a history of extreme behavior.
Yes, and an astonishing number of convictions.
He obviously blames the triads for what happened to his family. It could turn into a vendetta.
Raymond, Wei Shen is perfect for this job.
Nobody's perfect unless you're Mr. Perfect. No? So, können wir jetzt endlich mal rummachen oder wie sieht das aus?
Wait, Shen?
Schon wieder eine Sequenz.
Man,
So,
this is going to be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way, you know I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find shit. Do they have internet in America?
I think they're getting it next year.
Guess you were in prison or something. Come on, let's get out of here. Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yeah.
Jackie
So
zu
Winston's a Red
Winston
Bull now?
vornehmen.
All this territory is Winston's. But Dog Eyes is pushing in.
Boah.
If they're both Red Poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog Eyes always was an asshole. Turns out, he's a greedy asshole, too. One thing. When we get to Winston's, let me do the introduction.
Auf der Mauer, auf der Lauer sitzen kleiner
Wild
Japaner.
paranoia.
Sun On Yi had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. Made it real slow and painful.
Smoke on the yard.
Hey, Jill May, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
你條契弟，我今日就收你皮，
Leave him alone!
咬你就認，打就企定。
Better call the cops!
哼，你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講嘢啊？
Hey, you don't talk to her like that.
Stop it!
Get off him. I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. I'm gonna fuck you up.
Oh, Magnus. Wenn man schon kämpfe. Britisch. Ach, das ist nice. Oh, super Kick. Oh. Also X, X und X halten. Der Fall da. Das ist dann auch nice.
Kidding me?
Ach du Scheiße.
All right, come the fuck on.
Ich hab gedacht, ich kann ja auch über die Barrikade schmeißen.
Are you done?
Kann ich auch Bandkicks machen.
I'm still here. Come and get me.
Steh auf.
Damn, Wayne. What did they do to you in America, man?
That looked nasty. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes. So, everything's cool? Well, you're welcome anyway.
Come on, Jackie. Let's go see Winston.
Here we are.
Golden
Mom
Koi.
owns the restaurant.
Lol.
Whoa! Where the fuck do you think you're going?
Relax, man. This is Wei. Wei Shen. I told you about him, remember?
Fuck! We can't keep track of your bullshit friends, Jackie. No outsider.
He's not an outsider. He's from old
Two
prosperity.
outsiders.
Like us. Hochi
Two
all day. Come on.
sweet.
Wei's old school, you know? I grew up with the guy.
Old prosperity, huh? 點解我唔記得你嘅？
I've been on vacation. Jackie said you were looking for people.
Oh, Jackie, okay?
No. You should have seen it, Winston. Wei just beat up like 10 of Dog Eye's guys in the market by himself.
Hi, man.
They attacked us. Seems to me you could use some better help.
你講乜嘢嚇 Winston, I don't like this cocky little fucker. Oh, wait a minute. 等一陣 I do remember you. You had a sister, right, 係咪啊
Yeah, Mimi.
Mimi Shen. I remember her. Hung out with dog eyes. No offense. 真係熟到爆㗎 Where's she now?
She's dead.
Sorry. 唔好意思啊 So, 10 guys, huh? You feel us? Which is crazy.
Try capable.
We'll see. Conroy, you know that problem we got in the market? Why don't you take Wei with you? Hey, Jackie, hang back a second. I want to hear more about your friend.
All right. You want to be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle yourself. Dude, see what he's got.
Great. That's all I fucking need.
So you're the tough guy that's everyone's...
Das war's für diese Folge. Bis zur nächsten Folge. Tschüss. Bis dann.